Okay, so what you're going to do is make sure you're on the home screen on the dashboard, and what you're going to do is pick invest. Pick invest, come down here, you're going to choose a fund. This is the lowest one that says here. This is up to $1,000. This is up to 1,000 to 25,000. So anyway, we're just doing this one. So I'll just get started here. Click that, come down to here, then click here, purchase investment. Come to here, what you're going to do here now, the amount. So the minimum is 1,000. The payout process, if you click try weekly, that means 3 times a week when you get earn your interest, you got it there in your side account, and you can choose to withdraw it or you can reinvest it. Whereas if you
This
pick
is a
the,
video you while you are
I'm
talking.
video it now, and so I say pick the try weekly. The other ones, it's going to reinvest your money. So then you're going to click agree with the terms and conditions. Come to here, what's your gateway? So if you already had funds in your wallet somewhere, you could do one of these things, but we're doing a direct deposit. And then you select the currency, and you can click any one of these: Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, all they go, like USDT. So whichever one you're going to do. So let's say, for instance, we would click you are we click we would normally do Ethereum. Let's say Ethereum, right? And then you go proceed to click on agree, proceed to investment. Comes up here, and you got an invoice here, and then it's going to here is going to awaiting payment. Uh, Pay the invoice here now, and then that should be here, and it's going to here. There you go. So now you've got a QR code. You can either scan or you can copy the wallet address. But very, very important to make sure you get the right crypto. Okay. Right. There you go.